easiest gravies is this Pioneer gravy. I really like it. Hello and welcome. It's this time of year that a lot of traditions are abound and food-related memories come to mind. But when you're making mashed potatoes and dressing and turkey, you always think of the gravy. Sometimes you don't think of it in time, or you don't want to fool with a roux and everything else. You know me, I go to great efforts to, I mean, you can see I'm even sous videing back here. But I want to show you some easy things to do. And one of the easiest gravies is this Pioneer gravy. I really like it. But I have learned over the years, making this actually in gallons for groups, that a lot of people miss an important step, and I'm here to show you what that is. So an important step that people miss is, if you read the instructions carefully, it says to bring 1.5 cups of water to a boil. Well, that makes sense. But it also says to do 1/2 cup of cool water and mix the dry ingredients there. Then you pour the gravy mix into the hot boiling water and stir vigorously with a fork. You want this boiling because it actually is a flour-based roux that's in here, but it has to activate by boiling. So make sure this is boiling good and hot, and mix the dry ingredients in cool. And I'll show you how that works. So we're going to do a 1.5 cups of water. That goes on the stove. 1/2 cup of water. And the packet goes in there, just like that. All right, I brought this to a vigorous boil. Very important, very important. I mixed this with a whisk. Make sure it's all blended in there real good. And just pour it straight in here. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Then back on the heat to bring to a boil. Now, while that's coming up, like I said, if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I can my own stock. I make things from scratch. I do sous vide. I slow cook meat. I'm not one to cut corners, but sometimes you just want to have some gravy right now. And this takes as long as it takes to boil water. You really can't beat that. Let's see what this looks like. Came back to a boil. Tastes like real brown gravy. It's wonderful. We really, really enjoy it. They also make a white country gravy. We put some sage sausage in it and have it with biscuits, and that's the gravy, and some soft fried eggs. This is beautiful. You could put some mushrooms in here if you wanted to. It's seasoned beautifully. It doesn't need salt or anything. All by itself, it's ready to go. This would make Grandma proud. I'm proud of it. I sure hope you liked the video. As always, thank you for watching.